my name is Henry, and we are going to be making a mummy. And did you know that the first mummy was found in 1922 by Albert Culture in Egypt? Why are mummies so cool? Because they get to go to a very special place called the afterlife. And let's get started with the cool business. Oh, so we wash the body. Because you can be clean in the afterlife. And we now pull out the brain. And we put that kind of big. Then the heart. Then the guts. And now we soak the body. We soak the body because he can be very shiny in the afterlife. So now it's been 70 days for the salt to soak in. And now we wash the body again to be even more cleaner. Because obviously it's already soaked in. And it's like all, mushy. Finally, we wrap the body. Did you know they have to wrap the head and hands? And did you know that it takes 40 square meters of bandages? I'm going to start wrapping the head right now. So, with this amulet, here's the amulet. And you know what I'm going to be doing with this amulet? Stuffing it in the mummy's body. So it's the Shabbat in the afterlife. And then I put some resin. Now you quite didn't know this, but Egyptians actually used resin to cover the body before the sarcophagus. And now here's our lovely sarcophagus that an adventurer made in the kingdom, and we are now going to be putting the mummy in this very cool sarcophagus. Then I put the lid on. Then I bring them to the pyramid. And we're at the pyramid with his, you haven't seen him yet, it's his pet, doggy. We'll now place him in the pyramid. We're putting him in the pyramid so he is his pet in the afterlife to be happy. And we're giving him something to eat. Cookie dough brownie, fudge brownie cookie dough bites, and a banana. We put that over there next to the king. And we have the jaws, so he will still have his heart and his lungs with him. And now I close the door. So I hope you learned a lot, and I really hope you have a lot of dancing.